Hey everybody, LuAnn here. I am testing out the Oshun Pouch. It's a sustainable mechanic for floral designers, and it is made for same day event work. So you don't want to use this for more than the same day. You don't want to make these arrangements too many days ahead of time, but you can see how much water this holds. And we're going to go ahead and start designing. I'm going to put my greenery in to start and build a really nice shape with it. So you can see here, I've got my vase arrangement started, and this is also going to have a hanging element on the side of the table for a sign-in table. We're going to start adding some flowers. The bigger stems do need a little pre-hole punctured into the mechanic membrane. You can see how they go into the mechanics there. And the dahlias went in really well. So the stem of the dahlia was strong enough to just puncture right through there. The greenery was pretty strong too. These are locally grown dahlias and sunflowers. And then for this one, the thicker dahlia stem, I had to go ahead and create a little starter hole and then put my flower into the Oshun Pouch. The material inside the Oshun Pouch is kind of like a compost dirt type material that absorbs a lot of water. And so the flowers actually did hold in place pretty well. These flowers are from Cassiopeia, they are from Winkleman Farm, and they are from Grassdale Farm, and they are all gorgeous. After a few hours, about 3 hours after I made this arrangement, the sunflower at the very top and that one you see in the top left corner was kind of starting to droop onto the lisianthus. And that very tall basil in the top left that you see here was starting to droop a little bit too. But other than that, everything held in place really well. So I'd say my first experience with this Oshun Pouch was a success. This is what it looks like when the flowers are all gone. And it was great. I'd say give it a try.